Guys, so as you can all see on the screen here, this is the amount of paper money that I just received from this company. So as you can all see on the screen there, this is paper money that I just received from this company. So I'll be showing you how you'll be able to receive the same amount of money from this company. Without wasting much time, let's hop into the video. So here we are, and guys, I'll be showing everything from scratch, how you start and how you'll be able to make all those money that I just show you right now, the paper money evidence that I just show you right now. I'll be showing you all those things. So without wasting much time, this is my desktop, and I would like to do some more intro before we continue. So this is my channel, and guys, this is what guys Shapira said. And guys, I'm an internet marketer. I do all my money online. I make all my money online. So if you're somebody out there looking for a way to make money online, or you have a friend who is looking for a way to make money online, kindly share this video with that friend and send the video's link to that friend so that they will be the next millionaire and whatever they want to be in future. So without wasting much time, I just want you to all of you to do only 3 things for me. The first thing is click on this red subscribe button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the bell icon below. What that will do is that YouTube will notify you, or anytime I post new videos, you'll be the first to be notified by YouTube that okay, I'll drop a new video. So guys, don't forget to like, give me a big thumbs up when you think that what I'm doing here is really good. So without wasting much time, I'm going to hop up into the video. So we are going to use an application called ADSTEERA. And guys, those of you who don't know ADSTEERA, don't worry, I'll explain everything from scratch. So you can check the description box below. I'll put a link there to take you to ADSTEERA. So you come to your Google Chrome and come and type ADSTEERA as at the top here, so you can see ADSTEERA. Now what this app will be doing is that this app or this application is mostly for those who have websites and those who have social media handles. Now they can come and promote their websites. And guys, someone will ask me, oh okay, I said I don't have a website, so what am I going to do here? Don't worry. You don't need to have a website before you come here, because I'm having one, although, but you don't need a website to come and work here. So I'll show you how you can do that. So just click on this hyperlink here, which says ADsterra.com. So when you click on it, it will take us to this page here, as you can see on the screen here. Real quick. Okay, it's loading. Quick. Okay, it's loading. Okay, here you are. So he said global advertising and CPA affiliate market network with a unique partner care approach. So as you can see, so it have found by so this app started working in 2013, and it was partner with 30k partners. Those 30k companies are supporting these websites, as you can see on the screen here. You can say it was easy to start within an hour, and a lot of things. So you can read more about this site on Google. You can go to Google and read about more this site, guys. This as it's really working and it's really paying. So those of you who have websites, you can come here, come across account here and start getting free traffic with this app. But we are not here for that. We are not here for that, because we are here to make money from that thing. And guys, how are we going to make the money? I'm going to show you how we are going to make the money. So okay guys, so I just opened this thing to show you an illustration. So it's like, this is the app, this is the ADSTEERA, this is the app we are using. So this is the ADSTEERA app. So here is the app. And guys, what people do is that big companies come here. Like we have big companies like maybe Amazon, those online big companies. Yes, they come to this website, pay them an amount of money. So they will pay them an amount of money that okay, is to advertise their products for them. So what this app will do is that this app is going to create an affiliate program for you and me. So here we are. So this is me and you. Okay, this is me and you. So this app is going to create it, and me and you will go for it. So this so the advertisement or the products that these people give to the ADSTEERA to advertise for them, ADSTEERA to give us the products to go and advertise, and we get paid monthly for doing that. I hope it's clear. So it's like the big companies here will give the product to ADSTEERA to promote, and ADSTEERA to pass over help us to promote the product, and we get paid for doing that. So that's a vivid explanation why we are using this app here called the ADSTEERA here. So when you're here, what you'll be doing is that you just when you are this is your first time here, you need to click on the sign up. Okay, quick, and we're going to sign up as a publisher. So click on the publisher real quick, and let me show you what you'll be doing here real quick. Okay, so here we are. So all that you need to provide them here is your how do I say it? Okay, they can say, so do you want to sell traffic on this and this and this? So give them your name, and oh guys, sorry, it's logging me into my account directly because I have accounts with them. So you just give them your name, your email, and whatsoever, then you get paid for doing then you just send your confirmation code, then what you just create account for you. As you can see, so they just log me into my account because I have account with them already. And guys, so that's the easy way to create account with them. So when you are here, what you need to do once again is that you can see I have a balance here. Yeah, they just pay me already, so this I'm not using it again. It's been a while that I've used it, so I just have for 0.2 cents here. It's been a while that I've used this app. So when you are here as a beginner, what you do is that you click on where they have written what direct link. So click on the direct links, and you can see here they say what add new direct link by clicking on the button. So let me scroll here to see something. Okay, so as you can see they say what add new direct link. So you click on it, then you can leave it. You can leave this advert like this and click on what add. So what today we're doing is that, okay, got it. Okay, so your new direct link will be pending here. It will be pending. So within some 2 to 3 minutes they will activate it for you. As you can see, my own here have been activated, so this is the one that I promote first to make that kind of money. These are the ones that I promote here, as you can see here. And guys, when yours is activated, it will send you an email, the email that you used to register. So you just go back and check your email and out you come back for your link. So it's easy to do. And when it is activated, what you need to do is copy the link. So you copy this link here, as you can see, copy this link here. Now when you copy this link here, don't worry, because I'm only going to show you the best place, the best platform to share the link, and you get more than 1,000 links a day. So don't worry, I'll show you everything to details in this video. So when you copy the link here, all that you need to do is what go to Google again, because the link is so long. So go to Google and type in what bit.ly.com. As you can see, type in bit.ly.com. So when you're in the bit.ly.com, click on the bit.ly.com and create an account on the bit.ly.com as okay. So guys, when you're here, so yes, click on the bit.ly. Okay, let me wait for it to load. Click on the bit.ly. So when you click on the bit.ly, this is how it will come, because I have accounts here already. So yours will not be like this. So just click on the link here, click on this link here, try and create an account here, and to take you to this place, as you can see on the screen here. And what we are here to do is that the link that you have gotten from here, the link that you have copied from here, this link we have copied from here is too long. So you have to come here and come and shorten it to make it smaller for people to click on it. So you just click on the create here. When you paste the link, so this is the link that we took from there. When you paste the link, then you just hit on enter. Okay, so you can see this is the link, our link that they have shortened for us. This is our link. So just click on out, copy. Now somebody asked me, so I said this link that I have copied, how am I going to use it? Guys, the thing is the moment that somebody click on the link, you just get paid. You not do any work. There is no work for you to do. The moment somebody click on the link, you just get paid. So let me just show you, and how the link look like. So let's come to this new tab and let's paste the link here. This is the link. So let's enter and see how it look like real quick. Okay, so let's just see how the link look like real quick. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, this is how the link look like. So you just advert that they will show, and you get paid for doing that. So you just advert that they will show here, and you just get paid for doing that. So now where somebody asked me, so why am I going to share the link? Now this is the best place to share the link. So the best place to share the link for today is what we call Facebook. That's the best place that we are going to share our link. So just when you are here, just click on there. But I know most of you, or all of you watching this video today and looking for a way to make money online, I know all of you are having a Facebook account. All of you are having Facebook accounts. So just sign up quickly, and let me show you how it looks like quickly. Okay guys, so when you are here, you can see this is my Facebook page. So when you're here, what we will be doing is that you're going to be trying to be deceitful. You're trying to maybe tell people that okay, they should click on the link to get free gifts. Maybe some you tell them okay, they should click on the link to get free iPhone, to get free Bitcoin, to get anything at all. But they're not going to do anything. The moment they click on the link, you will just get our money back. That's what it is. So I know by now those of you who are watching this video we are in a lot of groups. As you can see, I also have a lot of group here, so you can post it in a lot of group that okay, click on the link to get free item, click on the link to get free this and that, and all those things. You can also go to what? You can also go to the Google, type in what is trending. Maybe for example, let me show you. So this are, as you can see, this are a group. You can see this active group. Okay, this one is just it's an active group. You can also go to you can also go back to Google and type in what is trending for today. Now what is trending? You know, when you get what is trending for today, then go to Facebook and go and post something about what. So I mean, let's make it what's trending. What's trending today? Yeah. Then search for what is trending today. Real quick. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, what is the news trending today? So let's see what's the news trending today. Quick. So you can see they say what 959 deaths in a day. Okay, this one is saying that's 9 after mirror. Okay, so you can this is what the news trending now. These are news trending now. So you can copy this. You can copy this. Let's just copy this. Real quick. Let me show you how you do it. Copy this and go back to the group. And maybe let me just open one of the group and let me show you how you'll be able to go about it. Okay, real quick. Let me just open this group. Real quick. Okay, here we are. Now you try to write something. So let me just create a new post. So write anything confusing. Right? Okay, so let me just paste what we just copy from there here. Now you can write something like okay, click on the link below to read more. So something like this is okay. Then where is our link? Let's go back to our link. Okay, so this is where is our link that we just pasted here. Okay. Let me just see quick. Where's our link? Oh, let me go back to Adsterra. Let me get the link back here. And go to bit.ly and paste the link there. And enter. Okay, so let me just copy the link back. Okay, go back to Facebook. Okay, then paste the link here. As you can see, and guys, but most of the group does not like link to post link in their group. Most of the link do not like to post in their group. So try and do as much as possible group. Try many groups that will allow you to post link in their group. So you can see, so something like this, then you click on the posting. And guys, what this will do, many people will try to know more about what is happening actually. As you can see, I just posted this in that group. So many people will try to know. Can see this is it. So people say okay, let me just look at what is happening and all those things. So they will click on it. Then when they click on it, then you just get paid your money. It's very easy as that. So you can also make the money, as I can show you. You can also make the money here. You can also make the money. I also make here. I made this money not now. I made this money like a month ago, but I just realized that I need to do video about it. So that's why I published this video about it. So you can also make the money. So what I do on my channel here is that I look for new ways of doing things, and whenever it work for me, I come here to record a video about it. What is working for me, what I have done is work for me. So guys, before I come to the end of this video, I just want all of you to do something for me. Just subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon below to be notified anytime I drop more videos. And guys, just share the videos to all of your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. Share this video to them, and guys, I'll be very grateful when you do that thing for me, and I'll be posting more video, maybe daily, and more video about how to make money online. So that was much time. See you on my next video. And before I leave, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon below. And there will be a big giveaway coming soon. I'll be doing a big giveaway coming soon. So watch out for more, and see you on my next video. I'm out.